Introducing the StripMeister E1000. The most advanced electrical wire stripping machine available on the market at a price perfect for electrical, recycling, and demolition firms of all sizes. Our new feeder technology ensures non-slipping, accurate wire stripping the first time fed at variable speed, even if you have kinked, twisted, stubborn wire that other machines would require run-through many times. This workhorse has an insatiable appetite for wires of all sizes, up to 1,000 MCM, and will strip hundreds of pounds of it in a fraction of the time any other recycling means consumes. Combining our new PWM variable speed controller with a long-lasting 1/3 horsepower high-efficiency motor, the E1000 consumes less electricity than a hairdryer, while quietly producing more cash for your scrap wire. Also, the E1000 has a weather-resistant housing unlike other electrical wire strippers, which means you can continue stripping your pile right out of the bin outside in all kinds of inclement weather. A new two-piece wire guide design makes adjusting the different wire sizes 60% faster and easier than ever before. Simply pull it out of the box, plug into a normal 110-volt outlet, and let the StripMeister E1000 pay for itself and make you money in no time.